Yo, again, what's going on today? Finna talk about how y'all can put your sound kits, drum kits together in a standard way, so y'all customers won't face no problems and have a good experience with your kids, making music, making beats with your kids. And yeah, I'm gonna show the best methods, the easiest methods to do it without no headaches or without any further. Let's get right into it. So boom, every sound kit starts with the folder, you know what I'm saying? By the way, today I'm gonna be showing you all everything on FL and Windows. So, but a lot of these methods work on other operation systems and those, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna call it like God kit, the best kit ever. As a matter of fact, let me put this kit inside the folder where I put all my kits. Now here and here, boom. And also let me put the exclamation mark and space bar so it will go at the top of the page. And this way you can be a little bit higher of everybody. And by the way, the space bar weighs more than exclamation mark. So as you can see, double exclamation marks don't outweigh the space bar. This quick little geeky shit. A lot of people knew that. So boom, we go to FL Studio. Let me like collapse everything, and here we go. We got our kit, but we ain't got no we cannot open it because they ain't got no sound. So let's change that, and let's create a couple of the, let's say we want this and this kit to be combined, and let's say we want this transients of this kit and the tail of this kit. Yeah, the genius sound design. It's kind of fire though, I'm glad. Boom, yeah, let's say you want this sound to be one, not just two sounds. So you just bound the sound simply, but here's a couple of the issues that you need to be aware of. Boom, first, when you bound the sound, you know, by the way, I did the Alt R. Don't forget to press this record button. Boom, and we got freshly new sound. And as you can see, there's like a loop point. So what that means is, I think everybody know, but what that means is when you drop this new sound inside the channel rec like this, and turn on the loop points and change the BPM, and yeah, let me put it in the first, right? Are gonna be in random places, really fucking up your beat. There's like two ways to fix that: either turn off this, or completely, three ways. So completely remove the loop point from the sound itself, or you also can value this thing, right, this time button, right? But it's really like time consuming. So basically just want all these one shots to be without the loop. Only thing you want with loop and time stretching is like let's say snare rolls. We're gonna touch on that a little later. So boom, to remove this loop, just basically right click on it, delete, boom, you got your loop removed. And then you right click on this white title, not on this gray title, no, this is like a title itself. Boom, FRX is just our brand name for kids. By the way, the best site for kids, you know what I'm saying? We just recently dropped the 2026 drum stash that helped me get all these views on YouTube, all these placements, yeah. And all the sounds I use, I just drop on this kit, you know what I'm saying? Boom. We go crash, combo, let's say combo, and also like what's the difference between the file name and the title. Basically, let me show y'all. It's just like when you accept, save it, and yeah, go to your folder. And to not go all this path over and over again, you just go ahead and pin your folder to quick access, boom, and you got your file. Yeah, title, file name is this, title this. Yeah, by the way, y'all wonder how y'all can also add the comments, album, contributing artists, and all of the details. There's like an app called mp3 tag. Let's just combine all of these sounds and just rename them 1, 2, 3, and this one is I don't know, goblin, I don't know. I'm just renaming them because to show y'all how this thing works. So boom, you pick go to this mp3 tag, and you change the directory here. Change the directory here, and you pick the kit where the folder with your kit. Select folder, boom, you got your 3 sounds. And what you can do now, you can title keep artist from scratch, album go kit 2026 hip hop genre. I usually don't do this like track thing. Comment, I usually leave the IG. copy this, paste this, artist boom from scratch to composer from scratch. Oh yeah, by the way, you can also add the cover art right here. Right click, add cover art, but the cover arts only work with the mp3s unfortunately, so we can check that. Also yeah, save and refresh, and it's gonna show the mp3 file. Keep yeah, from scratch, album, go key. I'm doing this once again to so this mp3 file also would get tagged, and also would add cover. Let's add our like this cover art for 2026 stash, this one. Boom, save. And now as you can see, everything in this kit got tagged. Oh fuck, I forgot to let me copy and paste it. Yeah, I want to save changes. Oh yeah, now it's tagged. Title 2. Yeah, I just forgot to do it, but you got the method. And now if you play the mp3, it's gonna show you the cover art. Boom, right here. Boom. But with WAV files, it unfortunately don't work. Maybe in recent version, maybe my version outdated. Yeah, let me know in the comments if new version allows you to do that. Boom. So this what's about the text, but let me get back to the file. So now let's get back to this save settings. Then if you go back, don't touch the format, just usually the best thing to the sound. Then this 140 bpm thing for the if you leave it like as it was as it is, right? So I saved this file as 140, and it was at 140 it was like this. It just was one full bar. So what I mean is if I take this combo key and another key crash and put it inside the thing, it's gonna be one bar, exactly one bar. Let me delete all that. Exactly one bar in every BPM. So in 140 it's gonna be the standard like it sounds like here. Let me turn on the metronome. But even if I raise the BPM, it's gonna still stay at one bar. What means that I'm gonna like pitch it up on resample mode. Now it sounds like low-key open head. So if you don't want that, usually you don't want that with your like one shots, as I said before. You only want that with let's say a snare rolls, right? Or like drum fills or whatever. Now let me create real quick a snare roll. Snare, where's this one. It's from the 2026 stash. Boom, and you put the bam 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 bam, the best snare roll ever. Export that and bounce this out. And now yeah, you want to FX snare roll 1 and enable all these tempos. Boom. Also I want it to be louder and normalize it, you know, so there's like a button for it. So this is the fastest way to normalize it. And also, as you can see, there's a dead space in here that you can remove easily by clicking on this button right here. So it's like kind of looks nicer inside this thing. So sometimes, and also it's easier to navigate inside the sampler, you know, because sometimes when you do some with this like in out buttons length and there's like shit ton of space, dead space, it's not cool, you know. So also make sure to remove all this dead space. It works in on the right side and left side, in the beginning and in the end as well. So yeah, well, let's save this snare roll inside, and also let me delete all these copies I did to not confuse y'all. So this and this, let me delete that and save the, oh yeah, I saved it in 2026 stash. Yeah, here. And my fault. And now yeah, if you want to drop this snare roll, I'm gonna stay the same every BPM, because it remembered the value of the time signature. Boom. Also yeah bro, I forgot to tell you about this. Let's say you got a click, like a nasty click inside your sound, let's say right here. So when it really abrupts fast and you hear the click, let me do it here so you can really hear it. That might, yeah, here. Yeah, now you can hear the click. Let me balance this out and go to click audio editor. As you can see, there's like this stick with the click. How you can remove it? First, let's remove the dead space. Boom. And now select the ending of it and click this fade out button. Now it's still clicking. Okay, it's still clicking. Let me do it with the dead space like this. Yeah, now it shouldn't be clicking. So before it was clicking. Oh fuck. And after. And now you can remove the dead space. Yeah, Boom. So yeah, bro, as I was saying, if you don't want this thing to be time stretched exactly to some type of amount of bars, go to the to the sound you created. As you can see, this time stretched. Edit an audio editor once again. It remembered all the information. Go to here once again and just press 0 on it. Boom, and then you save. And you click on it once again, because as you can see there's like a second, the 2 on here, and you click on it once again, save and replace it, and just refresh it, and you already did it inside the FL Studio, and so you don't have to fucking export it once again, do all the things once again, and you Gucci. Boom. Now as you can see, yeah, it changes the length as you go, but it stays, sounds the same. You feel me? Boom. Yeah, bro, I think that's pretty much it what I wanted to touch on today. Yeah, yeah, and then you just go and label your shit like crash, snare roll, snare roll, snare roll, sound reroll, snare roll. Put everything inside here, and then what you do, you zip it, 7-zip it, like you put it in as a zip file, because on Macs I think they don't have the WinRAR or something. So because the zip file, zip extension, it's already installed on the Mac, but not on the Windows. You know what I'm saying? Just do it as zip file, because sometimes you can fuck it up and people won't even open it. They just don't want to install WinRAR and all that shit. Add to archive, something like this. Okay, and you got your kit ready to go. Also you can put your like txt file with all the terms. And yeah, bro, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these videos real soon. And yeah, cool little 22 minutes. That's crazy. 22 minutes, please. Peace.